Namaste. This is Bijal Damani. I have been an educator for the last 21 years, working with SN Kansagra School at Rajkot, Gujarat. I have been teaching commerce to grade 11 and 12 standard students and was a computer instructor as well. Last couple of months have been tough on all of us. The pandemic has taught us many things. There are many sectors which have struggled because of the pandemic. But of all the sectors, there is one particular sector which has been impacted the most by pandemic is the sector of education. The educators and the educational institutions around the world have been struggling to understand, to redesign education, to prepare the students for the future. The most amazing part about the education today is the content is free. You want to learn anything, you will find the content free of cost on the internet. You want to learn Python, you can do so. You want to learn social media marketing, you can do so, free of cost, from the best of the professors from the universities. In that case, one wonders, what should be the role of the schools, of the educators, what we should be doing within the four walls of the classroom today, so that we can prepare our students for tomorrow. And one thing which has been very commonly accepted by all the educational institutions around the world is, in this era of artificial intelligence and the machine learning, our focus should be preparing our students with the skills, the interpersonal skills. Unfortunately, in our classrooms, we do not talk about the contemporary problems. We do not talk about the climate crisis. In our economics class, we do not talk about the unemployment and the poverty. Unfortunately, we do talk about the problems, but we never teach our students to think about the solution. If it is climate crisis, let's come up with our own solution at the local level. We are talking about unemployment and poverty. Let's not just limit ourselves to the statistics and let us come up with certain solutions. Unfortunately, this is not happening in our classrooms today. I'm so glad to be part of the school fest like Quantum, which is actually focusing on the much needed skills that the students of tomorrow must possess. Creativity, collaboration, critical thinking, communication. Every single 21st century skill is taken care of in this particular fest. So I must congratulate the committee, the managing committee of this particular fest, Quantum, and the Little Flower School from Jamshedpur, all the participating schools and other stakeholders, students, and of course, the teachers. You are the flag bearers of the future of education. Congratulations everyone and good luck. Namaste.